According to UL Standard 508A, titled Standard for Industrial Control Panels, specifically Section 33.25, wires of different voltage ratings can be contained within the same enclosure if the enclosure provides adequate separation between the different voltage circuits. The standard does not specify a specific distance for adequate separation, but it recommends that wires of different voltage ratings be kept as far apart as possible. In general, a minimum separation of 0.25 inch is considered adequate. To ensure safety and prevent potential electrical hazards, it is recommended to follow certain guidelines. Firstly, maintain adequate separation between conductors of different voltage ratings. Secondly, use wired ducts or barriers to physically separate high voltage and low voltage wires. Thirdly, label wires clearly to indicate their voltage ratings. Fourthly, use appropriate wire management techniques to prevent conductors from touching or cross-connecting.